Renaissance Cam here, back in effect. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, if y'all new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to be alerted when these videos drop. Today, as y'all can see, we're back in the kitchen, so y'all know what that means. We're making another banging recipe today, alright? Now, today we are going to be making a nice red skin potato salad, alright? Now, I won't eat everyone's potato salad, alright? Potato salad just doesn't have a very appealing look or taste to me from other people, alright? Potato salad, you go to the store, Publix, Walmart, Kroger, wherever you shop at, you see that potato salad in the little clear containers. It doesn't look that good, okay? If I'm wrong, please correct me. If I'm wrong, it's a personal preference, don't worry about it. Now today we're making a potato salad that is made for my liking, alright? Now, a lot of people who don't eat potato salad will eat my potato salad, alright? It's just something, you know, bold about it that people like it, people enjoy it. So that's not to toot my own horn, but hey, I will only eat my potato salad. I don't know what it is. It might just be a personal thing. It might be a problem that I have that I need to deal with. But I want y'all to try it. I want to share this recipe with y'all. So maybe if you don't like potato salad, you might be willing to try this one, and it may, you know, turn you in the right avenue. Okay, so with that being said, I'm gonna have all the ingredients for this potato salad listed in the description, so y'all don't have to worry about keeping up with that. Alright? This is a very simple recipe. We're gonna have everything prepped out already. All you're gonna have to do is dump and go. Okay? Let's get started. Alright guys, to kick this thing off, we're gonna first start by making our hard-boiled eggs. Alright, so just get you some water, put your eggs in, let that water come up to a rolling boil. We're gonna add a little bit of vinegar. It can be apple cider vinegar, white vinegar, whatever you have. This helps the peeling process. Just add a splash of that in there. Bring it to a rolling boil. Once it comes to a rolling boil, you want to cut that eye off and then cover it. All right, the residual heat that's inside of that pot will finish cooking those eggs. Okay. So now we're gonna start with our red potatoes. All right, we're gonna take these bad boys and we're gonna cut them into nice thin strips, and then we're gonna kind of cross hatch them and cut them into nice even cubes. All right, make sure they're even, because if they're even, then they will cook evenly. All right, that's what we want. So next we're gonna get another pot and we're gonna add some more water to it, and we're gonna salt it down with a little bit of kosher salt and add our red potatoes in. All right, make sure when you add them in, you stir it, because a lot of times those potatoes will sit to the bottom and then they'll, you know, stop the boiling process. All right, so next we're gonna get us 2 stalks of celery, and we want to cut these as small as we can. All right, large pieces of celery in potato salad is very unpleasant. All right, trust me. Now we're gonna take some green onions. We're gonna cut those very small as well, and then we're gonna take a lemon, and as you can see, I'm cutting off the edges of it. All right, that gets me away from the seeds, and all I'm left with is flesh and juice. Okay, next we're gonna take some fresh dill, and we're gonna give that a rough chop as well. All right, now for your eggs, all you're gonna do, you're gonna take a spoon or a knife, and you're gonna tap it real gently and start that cracking process. All right, next you're gonna kind of roll it real gently against your cutting board or your countertop, whatever you have, and this is gonna help that egg come right out of its shell. All right, watch how fast I peel this egg. As you can see, the egg is perfectly peeled. There's no shells left behind, and that yolk is cooked to perfection. Okay, so we're gonna get this a rough chop, and this is gonna be a nice additive to our potato salad. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna drain our potatoes. All right, I didn't mention this, but you have to cook them for about 8 to 10 minutes. You want to make sure they're fork tender, not too soft to where you can make mashed potatoes out of them, but just nice and, you know, pull apart with a fork. Okay, so now we're gonna take those potatoes, throw them in a bowl, and this is where we add in our herbs and our veggies. All right, so we're gonna add in that parsley, that dill, that celery, as well as those green onions. All right, next we're gonna squeeze some lemon in there, and that's gonna be a real nice touch. I'm telling you, lemon juice and lemon pepper is a very, very important, you know, additive to potato salad. Okay, all right, so now what we want to do, guys, is we want to take our spatula and we're gonna start our mixing process. All right, I would dump everything in first, but I got a smaller bowl and I don't want to make a mess. All right, so we're gonna go in with 1.5 cups to 2 cups of mayonnaise. I prefer Duke's because it's just a little bit thicker. I like a thicker mayonnaise in my potato salad because it has a nicer consistency. All right, we're gonna go in with about 4 tablespoons of yellow mustard, and then we're gonna hit it with some olive oil, just a splash. Now we're gonna go in with some kosher salt, and we're gonna go in with some garlic salt as well. That's gonna be enough for the salt. All right, everything else is gonna be salt-free, Mrs. Dash, because we don't want to, overpower this whole thing with salt. It's just disgusting. Okay.
That's enough damn salt there, Willie.
I know what I'm doing.
Nobody want all that goddamn salt in their potato salad.
So after that, Mrs. Dash, we're gonna go in with a little bit of cayenne pepper, just for a little punch of heat. I kind of like that in my potato salad. It challenges your taste buds a little bit. Next, we're gonna go in with some paprika, which is mandatory when making potato salad. You do not want to forget the paprika when making potato salad. I don't trust you if you don't put paprika in your potato salad. Okay. So next, we're going in with some black pepper, and that's gonna finish this off. All right. Now we're gonna take our spatula and we're gonna mix this thing until it is a nice, smooth, creamy consistency. All right. We want it to be nice and thick. All right. That's the goal of this, whole mixing thing. It's gonna work your arms a little bit, work your elbows, work your wrists, but it's all worth it in the end. You see this? You see this consistency right here? This is perfect. That's not a slow motion. That is real time thickness. Okay. So for the final and most important step, you want to taste your work. All right. Maybe you want to add something next time. Maybe you want to take something away next time. It's up to you. This is how I like my potato salad. I designed this recipe around my taste buds. All right. So to each his own. Do your thing. Okay. Right here, I just garnished it with a little bit more of that paprika, and we plated it up real nicely, and we are ready to eat, man. Let's go. All right, guys. Y'all know the drill. Food is done. We put in the hard work. Time to taste it. Let's get to it. Guys, here we go. Show y'all what I'm working with here. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's beautiful, right? Gorgeous. All that plate. I can't eat all of this though, I'm sorry. I can't. I got me a little personal right here, just for enjoyment. Right there. Now I can eat this, guys. I can eat this at any barbecue. I can eat this by itself. It's delicious. Get a nice crunch from the celery. I didn't overcook the potatoes. The potatoes are perfect. You kind of still get that chunky aspect in there, which I like. I don't really like it when it's like mashed potatoes almost. All right, especially like cold. I don't like cold mashed potatoes at all. But this right here, make this, bring it to your next barbecue, family gathering, whatever. I promise you, you will be loved. You'll be asked questions about how'd you make that? How'd you make that? I'm telling you, it's good. Now you gotta admit, guys, the things that get left behind the most at every family gathering, every cookout, barbecue, whatever you want to call it, are the pasta salad, the coleslaw, and the potato salad. All right. Reason why nobody puts the effort in to make potato salad, pasta salad, or coleslaw. All right. They go to the nearest grocery store, pick it up, and usually it's saturated in mayonnaise and lack of seasoning. It's terrible. All right, so next time y'all are considering making potato salad, pasta salad, coleslaw, just take your time, find you a nice recipe and put it together, all right? This is my recipe. This is how I like my potato salad. Like I told y'all in the beginning, I'm not a fan of a lot of people's potato salad, all right? The only potato salad that I will consistently eat is mine, all right? And a lot of my friends who have tried my potato salad will say the same thing, all right? So with that being said, you guys, I always appreciate y'all for tuning in, like usual. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, give this video a like if you enjoyed it and if it helped you at your next barbecue or cookout. So with that being said, you guys, I'll see y'all next time. Y'all keep on learning. I'm out.